Hello, everyone. For Hack Ohio 2023, this is our project, Free Food Finder. I'm Dur Venkaraman, and this is my teammate Sriram Ravishankar, and together we've created this application.
So, to describe a little bit about the problem, in the current situation, often there are many different events that people are trying to promote on campus that pertain to having free food and raising general awareness for certain issues or topics. But often it's hard to gain publicity or attraction for these events, and there's no centralized way to create postings and have other people be aware of them.
Yeah, and additionally, the other issue is that like a lot of these events often have like extra food left over at the end. So often our organizers overestimate the amount of like people that might come to their event, and then at the end there's a lot of extra food. And often they're faced with a difficult choice of having to throw it away or burden their members with carrying all the food home and putting it in their fridges where they might not actually have space for all this food. So this is where our application comes in. It provides a centralized way for people to list events that have like free food available, and other students can come to this event and then take that food such that they can eat for free while also saving the organizers the trouble of like disposing of the food or the guilt that comes with wasting large quantities of food.
Yeah, and then to work off of that, sort of our solution is to directly combat that problem and create a centralized way for people to create free food postings and then be able to have other people view them and attend these events. And then so we wanted to have a map feature that allows participants to easily see visually where these events are located and then um, use those postings to attend them accordingly.
Okay, so the technical stack that we use for this project is we use Postgres SQL for the backend, which provides a database to store all of the data, including like the locations of the events, titles, descriptions, and various other data points that users are interested in seeing. We used Express.js to provide a backend service and provide some APIs that our front end is able to call in order to get data and set data from the front end that users post. And our front end is written in React.js. We use Mapbox for mapping, and we use that because it's cost effective and very fast for users to load, and it's highly responsive. So it works across a great deal of like device types and other form factors. And since users would probably be using this on a wide variety of devices, we wanted to make sure it was like adaptable to that. We also provide authentication through Clerk, which is an easy, user-friendly like method of authenticating and allows you to use your favorite social providers to sign into our application as well. And then we also used a geocoding algorithm so that users are able to add their events without having to find the latitude and longitude. So now we'll provide a short demo of our application.
So here, if we take a look here, basically we've provided the map interface that allows users to interact with the map and then visually see where these events are located and general descriptions about them. For example, if we take a look at this one, this is the hackathon, and we can see where it's located and what pertains to that event. And then this allows users to attend them, and then whatever is the general topic for the hackathon, it can be discussed in more detail.
So now we're going to add like another event. So we're putting in the
So let's say at Taylor Tower, there was some type of
maybe like a Chipotle event or something.
yeah.
So, and we're gonna say that it's perhaps an event for RAs to get free food, or and others to get free food maybe, yeah. And so yeah, we're just putting in the address of Taylor Tower, which is 55 West Lane Avenue. And we're just going to say that that's in the future on like the 12th of the 12th of November, and it's going to be at 11:30 p.m. So we submit this data, and as you can see, an event has been created at Taylor Tower, and you'll be able to see this data on the map and find it when you need it. So yeah, this brings us to the end of our demo. We thank you for watching it, and we hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah. Thank you.